Hi guys, so I'm going to basically go over backwards crossover. So where I was at, basically I said that our crossover is when your dominant leg is going over your non-dominant leg and not your non-dominant leg stepping out, which is more of an artistic step, an artistic crossover. So what I want to do basically is show you guys. So you have to practice stepping over. You want to do it towards you guys, you step over. So if you basically are practicing your crossover, step over your boot. So you're not doing this, you're not doing that. You are crossing over and bending down and crossing over. So it's both your feet are going to be moving. So for instance, if I'm going to be doing a crossover in a straight line, I'm going 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Both your legs need to be stepping. Another thing that's going to help you is if you have your S, you actually do it. And when you do it, if you look, I am moving both of my feet. Okay? This makes it more easier to be able to do this is if you make sure you're bending your knees and then you bring yourself up. Bend your knees, bring yourself up. Okay? The next thing is, a lot of you guys don't know how to look backwards properly. Okay, so basically, how you look over backwards properly, for me, I'm right dominant. So I look over my left side. How I look over my left side, do that again. Do that again. I can add that in. How I look over my left side, I look at you like this. If you notice, my shoulder is below my chin, and my chin is above my shoulder, and I'm looking all the way around. The reason why this is the best way to look behind you is because, especially when you're a roller skater, someone can come from the inside. Don't look over the same side as your dominant leg. It feels easy, but don't do that, okay? Because when you're at roller skater or you're outside at an event, that's when you most likely will get hit or you will hit somebody, all right? So essence, looking backwards, the actual crossover with a step. Okay, so now, when you now do your S's, you actually practice your crossing over with both your feet. That's when you add the S to the crossover. Wait 1 second. So S, cross, S, cross, S, S or shuffle, cross, cross, S, cross. And I'm looking behind me. And now I'm just stepping over. So, I am going to do a stopping tutorial. But I hope you guys enjoyed my mini tutorial.